Well, today's Remembrance Day. It's the 11th of November 2025 and we're at the airport. We just parked up. We've got a screen there, look. That's all new. And a new one out there. So things have been changing at the airport. Another screen. Yeah, we're going all multimedia on us.
It's a mess up there.
But there's still lots of work going on, and they're apparently going to be changing something to do with the taxis, which are here. Have they moved? Still a lot of work going on. Hopefully get it all done during the winter time. Very much a building site.
Wasn't this long ago that we were here, was it?
No, but they'd had actually fenced this off, I think, last time. So the cars and buses can't come through this section. Go a bit further down. There's the buses. That's the A1 bus there that will take you into Palma, A2 to Arenal. And the good news is the A11 bus, which takes you to the Calvio area, and that's Palma de Mallorca and beyond, is going to continue through the winter. All good news. Not sure how we actually get into the terminal here. I think we have to go this way. Can't go that way. I'm guessing this is temporary. As we'd normally be crossing over there, but all of that is closed off. And we're going to be entering the terminal a little bit lower down, usually underneath that bridge area. So yeah, so this is what they meant when they say the taxi area has changed. So it was over that side, and they moved the taxi area to this side. So this is where you'll collect your taxis for the foreseeable future until they've finished doing all their modifications that they're doing here. Well, we've come obviously to collect Angela, and she sent us a message to say she's landed. So hopefully it won't be too long before she comes through. She's got assistance, I think.
Flying for the first time with the EasyJet, so I hope it is easy for her.
Yeah. Bit of an adventure. So this is where you enter now instead of the one further up. Where Angela will be coming through shortly. So everyone will naturally try and go out through that exit, but I guess you can't. It's all sealed up.
There's a lake here, Gatos.
Landed and on time. Everything is either landed or on time. There's one which is delayed, I think. And that's from Barcelona. But Angela was not only on time, she was actually early.
Interesting.
Well, it's definitely different from last time I was here. The airport is very, very quiet. Not many people coming through, and as we look down there, there's hardly anybody. And just looking down the list there's flights coming in every 5 or 10 minutes with no big breaks that I can see. And we've got flights there, they go right through till 6:15 this evening. So hopefully a lot of the work will be done during the winter months and things will be ready again for next year. But there's a massive amount of work going on here. And just from the outside, I'm not sure what's happening on the inside. Still waiting for...
Looking on the board, there's a lot of flights just landed.
Yeah, so she could be in this crowd or she could be in the next one. See, there's a few people coming through now, but very limited numbers. Well, we just met a couple from Huddersfield who...
Charlotte,
who was on the flight from Manchester, so they have actually started coming through, so Angela should be through soon. She does usually is a little bit later because she has the assistants, and so she has to wait for that. But any moment now, I think.
it's really
Well, the doors just opened and we did see Angela, so she should be through very, very soon. There she is. So here's Angela, arrived, and she says she's got through quicker than ever. So all these things I've been reading about people taking ages to get through. Well, obviously very much quieter now, but quicker than ever. It's a shorter walk as well now, so you just seem to get through that much quicker. But because of the changes, we've got to go out this way. I'll just turn you around so you can see where we're going. It is warm. This is temporary, so if you get in a taxi, you'll come out this way, and then the taxis are just waiting for you. So when the newspapers were saying that they've changed where the taxis are, not strictly true, it's just they're not loading up on that side, they're loading up on this side, which is fine. And if you get in a bus, there are not many of those now, but they all seem to be on this side. And it's mainly transfer minibuses. There is a TUI coach over there, so there are still some TUI holidays going on. And if you get in the bus, you just keep walking out, and the buses are over there. A couple from Huddersfield were getting the A11. That'll take them all the way to their destination, which is St Caliu. So hopefully they'll have a good time, and I'm sure Angela will. Look at those blue skies up there. Palm trees and blue skies. Well, I think that's it for this one, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.